ari kugamba n'abanyamakuru wirisi bamwesije uri kugamba kuba yashomera ishomero rya Manji Memorial Academy kandi akabaho na head boy w'ishomereri nagira King James Atwine wa index number U 2003-506 eyakosa nguneye kandi ngo akahize kibina cya senior ya mukaga umwaka gw'2006 bamwesije ahandikire kitongore kirukure buzo muyange cya UNEB baruha ebero mushanje byo ku 10/2025 arakugishabo kutaho King James omushango gwo kwete cyatari.
James, I understand you are impersonating using my documents or one of the services byo but you are an impersonator. Ubo muri nyakore mbaceta chi
kweterera cyatari
kweterera chinte cyotari. James, please garuko munasare oshomeye ihangeri 7 akatobusinje reka tukore.
King James akesimba na Minister Bright rwamaramu mukaruka NRM konka karura karwamara kakasinga no burure mtware 5,535 bit King James yayihandikisa kwesimba onkatine kibina akachikwa karukure byo bururu kasharizemo kwesimba kwa King James bwanyuma yo kwandikirwa kitongore cya UNEB ngo King James tayine bishaneze bikumukiriza kwesimba bwa member bwa parliament.
James tukashoma hamwe Manji Memorial kutwa amazire ebigezo ukabura tino warakurebire turasitamira mu examination room
mwaka ki
2006. James ukabura. Now, which documents are you using? Don't lie the public, please.
Bitwe King James agambira abanyamakuru ngo ayine papura bye kandi ahereze kwetera nduru ashitebe chikuru cha UNEB.
Why don't they listen to me? If I have fake documents, they hand me over to police. Why are they being used? We are working on timelines. EC is about to print ballots. They are delaying me. They are not responding. The secretary of the ED said she has instructions not to receive any document from me.
Manji mukama wayo bagudo byo mwana abamanyi. Limpo family, everyone knows Limpo. Ba Johnny byo mwana abamanyi. James okori umushomo witu. Nyo kandi head boy. Ba Dona mureke kwesherekerera. Bantumwe katuyambe aba bana bato. James tukashoma hamwe uko kanga kushoma.
Ebirabi na mnano kwezoku UNEB neza kugaruka kuvuga nemba jwezi King James hamwe n'abamutabarize kandi bamwesije na haya kwa kuza kwihayo bw'inendijo amakuru agagasha kwa Susan Charles Sima.